Hey guys, what's happening there? It's your buddy Mazzoni here, Julian Mazzoni here on busy Henri Bourassa Boulevard. It's December 11th. It's about 3:30 p.m. And it's gonna snow actually very soon almost. And we're gonna have a snowsquall actually almost. Yeah, so I'm here to do this video of the Ruisseau train station because for those of you who don't know, part of the DEUX-MONTAGNES line between Ruisseau and Gare Centrale will be closing come January 6th. So I wanted to make this video of this station before it closes, you know. So let's get this going. So this actually was where you would buy your tickets here, but they moved it to the other side. I don't know why, but you never know. So we're gonna get on the platform here. Soyez prudents. Please pay attention. And for those of you who don't know, right there used to be a crossing right there that you can just cross right across the tracks, but very unfortunately there was this kid that died at there were two kids who actually died because of that, because of them being distracted by their phones and got hit by the trains, you know, one at Ruisseau and one at Ruisseau Pierrefonds. So yeah, I mean, my condolences go to the family. So yeah, so here you have information about your the mitigation measures of this area. So how do you get to the metro, you know? So yeah, soyez prudents. Keep your eyes open. You blink, a train could be coming right now, you know. Yeah, so this station, I'm really not sure when the line officially opened. Somewhere in the 1900s and maybe the 20s or something. But the station here, I don't know when it was built. But it was probably here for a long time, so yeah. And just to show you how busy this line is, I mean, look at the parking here, you know. And that's going to affect all those people trying to get to downtown come January 6th, you know. And I have no idea actually why they moved the crossing over there. That's my question. I've always wondered. Well, I mean, it's been a long time since I've been here, so I mean, who knows? Yeah, I'll continue this after. Alright, moving on there. I don't know what the hell just happened. I don't know, my camera was kind of acting up there, but yeah, so I'm on the DEUX-MONTAGNES side of the platform, and that is an old CN, Canadian National Railway sign that tells the direction of where the trains go. Yeah. So I'm just gonna show over here. You know, they're supposed to give out fines for that, you know, but they're supposed to like take these down immediately. You have a limit of how many days to take off your election signs until you get a big fine, man. Anyway, so this is the information section. We are right over here. Yeah, schedule. Yeah, next train is in about 13-14 minutes. And here you have the payments place here. The old Agence Métropolitaine de Transport sign here. And actually, surprising, they're offering weekend service. Well, the old Sunday schedule, which is going to be on the 25th, 26th, 1st, and 2nd of second days during this holiday season. And you know what? These people deserve it, you know? Like, I mean, since you're not going to stop the train for them, and they're going to have to find a long way to get to work or to families, you know? yeah, so I'm gonna continue over here. Yeah, you know, I don't think I'm actually gonna go all the way there. That's a pretty long walk. But anyway, so that's it, guys. The Ruisseau train station. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos to come. And here are some photos of the Ruisseau train station. Thank you.